TIG, pulse MIG, stainless and carbon wire, as well as plasma cutting, oxy-fuel cutting, and spot welding and stud welding. So our shifts typically are 8 hours. When we go on overtime, they're 10s. We work multiple Saturdays in a row. There's a lot of 6-day work weeks. That's very common for 8 to 9 months out of the year. You have to be patient because it's a highly skilled job. It's not a production shop. It's not something where you do large runs to the same piece every single day. To get the job, you're gonna have to take a 1G flat groove test. It is very essential that you are a true combination welder, as well as having a lot of knowledge of the cutting process. A lot of the job focuses around fit up and blueprint reading. Attention to detail is very key in this job. Just building things with my hands, getting to see the fruits of my labor and my skill. It's a really cool process, watching it come from fresh steel all the way to a finished product. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be dirty, it's a fab shop, but your job will be very fulfilling. You'll like the people that you work with. You'll always feel that somebody is here to help you. Somebody always has an answer. Don't come in expecting to be the best, come in expecting to learn.